Hello, my name is Taylor Cronk, a student with the SHOW program for 2012. I worked with Dr. Georg Essl as my supervisor. During my research, I worked on a non-tactile mobile programming project, emphasizing on a non-programming approach to mobile app making. The best way to explain this project is by simply showing a demonstration of it being used.
First we have to load up the urMus system. Next we need to bring up urVen2, which is the name of the project. Now with urVen you can select anywhere on the background which will automatically create a region. Here I'm opening up the image loader so that I can load in images to apply to said regions. And I'll load in a few that I'll use later in my demonstration. Everything in urVen is based around regions. Each region has its own properties, such as images. So I'll give this region an image. Next, I have the ability to give a region generation. This allows the region to fire projectiles. Next, I'll give this region a controller to let the user control how fast or slow the projectiles are shot. And then I'm also giving a movement controller so that I'm able to move the region around on the screen, which is essential in any game. So I'll set those in place. So now that I have the ship ready, I need to give a region that will fire projectiles at the ship, such as asteroids. And here but first I need to load in an image for the region to fire out. Then I'm able to select the image. Now I also have the ability to create collisions within the system between projectiles and regions. I have to set up the collisions between the projectiles from the player's ship to the region at the top so that the projectiles are destroyed and they won't hang there in the game. And also I need to set up the collisions between the asteroids and the ship itself. Also, next I need to make the regions at the top transparent, so that it does not interfere with the gameplay. Finally, I'll create a nice scrolling background to give the illusion of movement through space, which I'm able to do with simply setting up a background event. And so in the full game, able to move around and able to fire off projectiles from the ship. While urVen is a work in progress, it does show the possibility and capability of a non-programming app-making system. Thank you to Dr. Georg Essl and the SHOW program at the University of Michigan for allowing me to work on this project.